So you're on YouTube right now searching for OpenClaw because you hear it's this next big wave in the AI movement. Now you've probably watched a couple videos already trying to figure it out, and honestly, you're now more confused than even before. All these videos mentioning things like Mac Minis and API keys and VPSs and skills and jobs and wait a second, we're making a resume now? I mean, you already are using ChatGPT or Claude, right? So why would you need OpenClaw? And here's the crazy part that not many people are talking about. If you go and try to set this up and you do it incorrectly, you could be setting yourself up to get hacked or have a bunch of malicious code added onto your computer, which is no bueno. But don't worry, I'm not gonna leave you hanging. I'm gonna cover all of that in this video. And I'm literally gonna break this down so simple that even a caveman could get started doing it.
Oh no, not cool.
By the end of this short video, you're gonna know exactly what OpenClaw is, what it does for you, and how you can set it up safely so that you could start using it today. So what exactly is OpenClaw? Think of OpenClaw like a personal assistant that lives on your computer that's always on. This assistant is working in the background for you 24/7, and at any time you can just text it and ask it to do more things. And it's not like ChatGPT or Claude where it has to wait for you to ask it to do something. OpenClaw works in the background all on its own, doing tasks for you even when you're not working. And that's the whole difference. Now, OpenClaw is not an app that you download from the App Store. It's not a website that you log into, and it's not a SaaS product that you pay a monthly subscription for. OpenClaw is a free software that you install onto your computer. And once it's running, it works in the background, all without you having to do any other setup. So how would you actually use this in your day-to-day life? Let's go over a couple of real-world examples. Let's say you're really not that great at managing your emails, but you have some really important clients that are constantly sending you emails that you need to be on top of. Instead of you going through all your emails every single day, you can have OpenClaw automatically check your inbox and look for certain specific things and automatically send you a report every single day, giving you the exact information you need right on your phone instead of having to sort through tons of emails in your inbox. Or let's say you want a morning briefing every single day to start your day out with the most important task that you need to focus on. You can have OpenClaw send you a message every day at 8 a.m., letting you know what's on your calendar for the day, letting you know any meetings you have, letting you know anything important or any notifications that you need to be aware of. Or maybe you're constantly making content for your business, and so this requires you to do a bunch of research constantly to stay on top of the newest trends and what's going on in your niche. Instead of doing this all manually, you can have OpenClaw check trending keywords in your niche and send you over 3 content ideas every single day with things that are actually currently working. Okay, but how exactly does it work? Here's the basic workflow and the easiest way to understand it. Every day you use a ton of apps, things like Gmail, Telegram, Google Calendar, social media apps, whatever. And then you have your AI tool of choice. So something like ChatGPT or Claude or Grok or Gemini. And OpenClaw is what connects your apps to your favorite AI tool of choice. So once you have all of your apps connected, skills are what OpenClaw downloads in order to be able to use those apps. Think of a skill like a training manual. Before your assistant can go and do a certain task, it needs to know how to do that and how to actually use all of these apps. So if you don't have any skills installed, OpenClaw doesn't know how to use any of those apps you just connected. All you have to do is download the skill once, and then OpenClaw will know how to use that app moving forward. Now that OpenClaw has all your apps and it knows how to use them, you can create jobs in order for it to actually complete tasks for you. So think of a job like a sticky note that you're leaving on your assistant's desk saying, hey, I need you to check my Gmail account for me every single day and let me know if there's anything important in there. And the cool thing is you just write this out in plain English. You don't have to know coding or any fancy language. You just type just like you would to a human assistant and say, hey, do this task for me, and OpenClaw will use the skills and all the apps connected to complete that task for you. Just like a real life assistant coming and delivering the work you asked it to do, OpenClaw does this for you 24/7 nonstop. Now I'm going to show you how to go about setting up your very first job using OpenClaw and show you really how simple this is. But before we get started, you do need a few things. First, you need to have an AI tool of choice. So either OpenAI with ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Grok, whichever your preferred AI tool is. And specifically, we need the API key, which is basically just like your private password to your AI tool. The second thing you need is a place to run it, which I'm going to show you here in the next step. The third thing you need is Telegram. And this is a messaging app that's free to use. And this is how we actually text and communicate with OpenClaw so that we can constantly be in contact and have messages back and forth just like a simple text message stream. More on that in just a second. And the last thing you need is about 10 to 15 minutes to get this set up. And that's it. So assuming you already have your AI tool of choice, let's move on to that second thing, which is where we're going to actually run our OpenClaw from. Now you have two main options when it comes to running OpenClaw. Option A, you can have it on your own physical machine, so something like a laptop or a computer or a Mac Mini. And option B, you can host it online on something called a virtual private server, which basically just means an online space that's dedicated just for you. Now, if you've been online at all recently, you've probably seen a surge of all these Mac Minis popping up everywhere and people saying this is their new AI assistant, just showing a picture of this Mac Mini. And you're probably like, why are all of these people buying these Mac Minis? This is because they're going with option A. They want to have OpenClaw hosted on their own machine that they physically have at their house. Now, there are a couple downsides to this. Like one, you do need that computer to be on all the time, powered on, otherwise you can't access it. If it powers off or goes to sleep at all, then your OpenClaw stops running. Or if your internet goes down at your house, well, now your OpenClaw is also offline. So this is really great for people who really like tinkering and really understand all the technical stuff, but if you're looking for a much easier and faster route, option B is going to be a bit better for you. By using a virtual private server, or a VPS, we can actually have access to your OpenClaw 24/7 without having a physical machine at your house. This means your assistant's always on, always working, and never goes offline. Now, there are a lot of ways to go about getting your own VPS, but I like to use something like Hostinger, which just makes it very simple with a one-click install. You don't need to be technically inclined or understand anything. All you need to be able to do is click one button and it will automatically do all of the work for you. So while everyone's rushing to the Apple Store to buy another Mac Mini to take over the world with their virtual assistant, you can have the same thing running in the cloud for just a few dollars a month. You basically just pay for your virtual private server, which costs about $4 to $7 per month. And then much like other AI tools, you pay for how much you actually use it. So for every message you send or every task that your AI assistant does for you, you get charged a small amount as well. This is only about $1 to $5 per month, depending on how much you're using it. So overall, you could be running OpenClaw for basically the cost of a cup of coffee every month. Now, personally, I like to use Hostinger to get my VPS because, again, they just make it so simple. We actually have a special discount code with Hostinger, so if you click that first link down in the description, and it'll bring you to a page that looks like this. This is our special discounted link here with Hostinger. So all you have to do here is click Get Started, and you can choose between these two plans. Now, both of these plans will allow you to use OpenClaw, but one of these is much easier to set up. The $5.99 plan is a bit cheaper, and it also does all of the setup for you automatically without you having to do any of the technical stuff. So as a beginner, this is definitely the easiest route to go. Go ahead and just click Choose Plan. And here you can select how long you want to purchase this VPS for. So the more time that you have here, the bigger of a discount you're going to get. You can see for 24 months, we get a pretty big discount here, but maybe you only want to start with 12 months, about $7.99 per month. And this is going to get you everything you need to be able to get set up and running OpenClaw for a solid year. I also recommend checking this ready-to-use AI box because this gives you a couple of credits that let you use ChatGPT, Claude, and a couple of other AI models without you having to go set them all up individually. So that's really nice. Also, this instant web search. This just gives your agent more access to the internet so that it can serve you the best information possible, and it's completely free. So I also recommend checking this box. Now you can also use a coupon code that we have specially with Hostinger. If you click this coupon code and just type Create a Pro Website, and that'll give you an additional 10% off of your total price. So once you have that coupon code applied, you can hit Continue. And here you can just fill out your billing information and your payment information, and whenever you're done, just click Submit Payment. And just like that, you're ready to begin using OpenClaw. Go ahead and just click Get Started here. And from here, you'll be brought to your Hostinger H panel. All you have to do is go over here to the left to OpenClaw. And here you can click the Setup button and actually get set up, which Hostinger will guide you through this entire process, and it makes it incredibly simple. If you want to see a full video where we explain the entire process step by step to follow along with in more detail, click the link down in the description to follow along with my buddy Dale's video. He goes through this entire process in more depth. And once you have OpenClaw set up, now we can go about adding your skills, jobs, and connecting your apps. The first app I'm going to show you how to connect is Telegram, which is the messaging app that I recommend you use so that you can actually communicate back and forth with your assistant. It's basically just like the phone number that you're going to be using to message your assistant personally. It's free and it only takes a couple minutes to set up, but there are also a couple of other options in case you prefer using a different messaging app. You can use WhatsApp, Discord, iMessage, Slack. There are a ton of options and OpenClaw supports them all. So pick whichever one you prefer and go with that route. Now, this is the coolest part about OpenClaw is when you go to add apps or skills or jobs, all you have to do is just message this thing in normal language saying, hey, I want to install this app. Your assistant will then walk you through the process of how to actually go about connecting each individual app. It's pretty straightforward and it only takes you a couple minutes. Anytime you're confused or you're just really not sure how to do something, you basically just ask your assistant to help and do it for you. Once you have Telegram connected, you can now just message back and forth with OpenClaw from your phone so that you can easily communicate with this thing. Now you can set up your first job. And the first job I recommend you set up is something like a simple morning daily summary. All you have to do is just ask OpenClaw to set up this job for you. Just simply type every day at 8 a.m., check my Gmail and let me know if there's anything important I need to know about, any meetings or calls, and send me that summary daily. That's all it takes to actually get a job set up. But remember, before it can actually do the job, it needs to have all the skills required to do that job. So to download skills, there are two places to find them. You can use ClawHub or the GitHub skill directory. Now, ClawHub is a little easier to use and it has a ton of different options for you to go through, but the GitHub skill directory is gonna have even more options. It can just be maybe a little daunting or overwhelming. So pick whichever option you like and just start finding the skills that you need. So you can search for a Gmail skill if you're looking for it to check your Gmails for you. You can add different social media skills. So depending what jobs you're gonna want your assistant to do and what apps you use on a regular basis, this is what's gonna dictate what skills that you need to add. Now keep in mind, ClawHub is a place that community can upload skills to, meaning people can add malicious code or even different things that can actually harm your computer and cause a lot of damage. So this is where you really want to be careful before just installing a bunch of random skills. So to be on the safe side, you can always just start with real low stake skills first, things like calendar and Telegram, before you connect really personal things like Gmail or your social media accounts. Now, if you did want an entire walkthrough of how to get started installing your VPS and getting really running with OpenClaw, check out this video right up here where we walk you through a detailed step-by-step process showing you how to get set up with your first job, installing your skills, and connecting all the apps that you need. I'll see you in that video.